Song number 17, the Cheerleader. This piece starts with the A string, and you have 2 quarter notes followed by a E string half note, which gets 2 beats. Let's get into playing position. Violin is up at eye level. My left hand is away from my body, and I have a nice space here with a curved elbow right underneath the violin. No elbow going this way, but like this. Get my bow hold ready, index finger, middle, fourth, and then my pinky resting at the tip. Place my bow at the frog here. This is the frog right here on the A string. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, crossover A. E, A, E, 2, A, 4. Let's do that one more time. We can take it even slower. After 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, cross over to A. Back to E. A. E for 2 beats. A for 2 beats. Freeze. Have your violin up for a few seconds. Then we're ready to put it down.